Let's read words with long A. Let's start with the word sail. S-A. Sail. Let's do it again. S-A. Sail. T-A. Tail. Let's do it again. T-A. Tail. P-A. Pain. Let's do it again. P-A. Pain. R-A. Rain. Let's do it again. R-A. Rain. A. Hair. Let's do it again. A. Hair. A. D. Maid. Let's do it again. A. D. Maid. G. A. Gain. Let's do it again. G. A. Gain. A. Fail. Let's do it again. A. Fail. J. A. Jail. Let's do it again. J. A. Jail. W. A. T. Wait. Let's do it again. W. A. T. Wait. B. A. T. Bait. Let's do it again. B. A. T. Bait. P. A. T. Paint. Let's do it again. P. A. T. Paint. F. A. T. Faint. Let's do it again. F. A. T. Faint. Now let's try to read sentences with A words. I will buy a paint. Let's do it again. I will buy a paint. Her maid is fat. Let's do it again. Her maid is fat. Do not wait her. Let's do it again. Do not wait her. The rain is coming. Let's do it again. The rain is coming. He has a big bait. Let's do it again. He has a big bait.
For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.